All right. Hey, everybody. Let's, shoot, which one is the right thing to click on here? Sorry, give me a second. All right, cool. All right, so today I'm gonna work on the UI for my marble game a bit. I may go on tangents like I usually do, but for the most part, I've been trying to improve my UI because it was quite garbage prior, and I mean, it still kind of is garbage. There's also a couple things that I need to fix up on it, but essentially what my UI looks like right now, if we go into maps, it's Marble Race. Oop, sorry, main menu. Hit play. This is what it looks like at the moment. The name and icon are still pending though, so we'll work on that when we get there. We hit play. Yeah, we'll also notice that it's not scaling correctly, so that's problem number one. We also don't even have arrow buttons, like left and right buttons. I wonder if we can grab stuff randomly. I wonder. What about... Hold on. I'm gonna check, see if I got anything that I could use. I know I had a lot of E buttons. Let's see. Give me a second. Do I remember where they are? Probably not. I used to have a list of a lot of icons. What did I do with them? It's fine. I think I could just grab left arrow. I'm gonna grab some off like Google right now. I know those aren't like the best things to use right now, but let's do that. I want something like this. 222. And then I'll get my own after. Left arrow. We'll do this, and then let's just change this to right. So this is our left arrow. Is this the same thing? I think so. Right arrow. Okay. Left. Right. No, they're different. Shit. Okay. Hold on. It's fine. They're not supposed to be permanent. It's fine. Permanent? I don't know. Shrink. And then this will just be for now. Till I get real icons. Oh wow, cut off on the edge too. That's kind of annoying. This is why you don't grab stuff off of Google. Okay. Let's go to UI. They're also gonna get like super stretched out the moment I do it too. So let's see, images. Let's go into PNGs. UI. Let's go into main menu. We also need, is it game menu? Yeah. Okay, cool. Then here, let's go into our images, left arrow. It's so ugly. It's fine. It's just meant to represent right now. Okay. So one thing is, this is not, oh, that's because it's centered over there. So let's do this. Let's drag that over here. Let's do that. What about you? Where are you located? Map switcher. Vertical box. Okay, so you're just overall located right there. That's fine. What about this? Marble. I don't even know why this is here, to be honest. Name. Enter name here. Yeah, that's the purpose. This vertical box. Let's do this. Let's just move that over here. Let's do that. I should fix the scaling problem. Cool. Okay. Hit the arrow keys. Nice. I don't have a hovered thing. Probably because there's no tint. So when hovered, they're already black. Can I make them finger? No, they're like black images. Like that wouldn't work. Huh. Also, why are they rounded boxes? It's fine. I'll make real buttons for those after. I think the first thing I need to do is probably revamp this entire page because it's just ugly. So one thing I'm thinking about is that instead of naming one marble, we'll allow them to actually have the ability to name all of the marbles since it's a single player game, because I'm not doing multiplayer because it's just like a simulation. Could do like a customization. Put the map on the left, and then I can have like an 8 list of marbles with names that they could be entered in. Get rid of this little display, just because why? Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So for starters, let's grab this vertical box. I'm actually just gonna move it out of the way. I'm gonna grab this and move that out of the way. I like displaying the map, but I should probably make it a lot smaller, especially if I'm gonna have like 8 rows of the marbles being displayed. So let's click on here. Let's move here. And then can I shrink? Kind of shrinks the image. Okay. Because technically speaking, I could keep that like here. Start. Huh. Oop. Now leave that there. I didn't mean to move that. Trying to decide, because like, if I shrink this, like, let's say we're like this, I end up getting a lot more space open at the top. And right now I'm not sure what I would want to add right there. Because here I could pretty much cover all 8 of the marbles where there's names, and then I could just have like color overlay. Maybe like a little customization button so that it opens up another widget. Let's go for doing the marbles first, and then we'll address all of this other open space that's not being addressed yet. So I'm basically thinking of like a straight line. You'll have enter marble name, and then you'll have like a customization button that you click that will open up like color overlay so that you could address there. So let's do that. So first thing is, which widget is this one? Is this just all drop down, custom drop down? Okay, so I didn't make a single widget for this. So everything is listed here. Okay. So we're gonna go over here, game menu. We'll do marble customization. User interface. Common. We'll just do user widget, because this is not going to be the activatable widget. These are going to be the widgets inside of an activatable widget. Okay. So let's just do like UI single marble. And I'm actually going to copy a lot of this just because some of the functionality I need here, actually, no, I actually don't. I think the only useful thing, I have to change how I do this. Player name, marble settings. Single marble, let's do there. Let's create here. Copying some functions I already have. Overlay change, color change. Okay. I don't think I need this print string. Okay. Player name change. Save to current settings. So this automatically will allow me to have the fields for changing my color, changing the overlay, and changing the player name. I just need to have all of these over here. So I'm actually going to copy this entire thing over here and paste. We're going to get rid of this because I'm not going to use it. Then we'll go with, I want to replace this with a horizontal box. And then let's go, let's just hit fill on everything at the moment. I don't think I need this anymore. Okay. Let's delete those. So this will allow you to enter the name. What if I do custom? Let's do like a width of 500. Ooh, 500. Ooh, that would not be enough. What about 800? Okay, that would prove to be a problem. I can't really do a width of 1,000. That's a little insane. So let's. I'm gonna have to create a different. Okay, where are these things? I need to go to custom drop down widgets. Custom drop down. Let's do a CUI drop down. Customization. Marble. Or customization drop down. Let's go in here. So this is essentially going to be the widget that I would need to become, what's the word I'm looking for? The activatable widget that I would need to push. So actually I can't use that. I need to create a different one. Let's do another folder. Widgets. We'll need a activatable widget. CUI customizable marble pop-up. Now it's just way too long. Let's just do custom marble or custom pop-up. Okay, and then within this is what I'll need to populate the color and the overlay. I guess I could just have the two drop downs here, I guess. If I'm trying to keep it simple. So then instead I would just do this. And just do a wrap with vertical. And then we'll also go into just do it twice. Hit that fill button. This would be color. This would be overlay. Instead of these two, go custom pop-up. Oh. Fill? I feel like that would get cluttered very quickly. And this wasn't actually what I was looking forward to doing. Spacer. Pen. Let's do this. I was thinking of like a custom button to press on. So actually, So I guess I would need like a different button. So we go in here. Button. I guess I got menu button. Customize. Freaking huge. But it can't look exactly the same as the tech. Or I guess it could. No, I should probably change a little bit. Okay. Anyways, so you can enter in a name, you press this, and then that should pop up this. Let's see how it would look over here, because this would allow me to do a little less effort. And then let's do fill. And go back over here. Oh, these are small. So what if I did... Let's hide that. Work box. Yeah. Just so I can name that a little better. Let's get a vertical box. Let's do like this. 0.5, 0.5. We'll do this. This should be its own thing at all, or this should be its own widget that I should be adding here instead of adding it directly to the main menu, but this is just to test it out. Marble list. Let's just see under pre-construct, we're gonna grab that marble list. We'll do create widget. For each loop. Nope, not for each. We want a for loop. I can't click things. For loop. We'll do 7. Clear children, just so it's not activating multiple times. We'll go here, marble, single marble. Add a vertical. Line. Or what is it called? Vertical align. Yeah, it is vertical alignment. Okay. Horizontal alignment. Oh, okay. Why does that not look like what I was making? Hello. Okay, there we go. That's the color that I was looking. Okay. So what if I... Where'd the widget go? And why can't I click it? Marble list. If I moved it up here, then this probably would have to be bigger too, wouldn't it? I feel like this comes out weird. Obviously these are too big and I would have to shrink this. So what if I think these are large because of the spacers. So what if I did... Oh. Instead of size... Wait. No, they're still way too large. Okay. Any padding anywhere? We just have left padding. Maybe turn that down to like 5, 10. Wonder what's causing them to be this large. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. I think it's... in here. Let's actually shrink these. Oh, there's a left pattern. Yeah, no, that's intentional. Okay, cool. What about the name? Oh, there's no size listed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, it is the 8. I need to decrease the text size here. Man. I guess we'll do very small. I could just list like the font size, but I'm trying not to have a variety of different fonts. And then let's go text here. We'll go very small. Go very small. Okay. Yeah, so it was the font size because they were too big. But also, I set all of them to fill. So why are they not filling the box? Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So technically speaking, they should size up to fit the entire box, but they're not. Is there padding? Pad. Set padding. Break. Make. Top. Let's do 2, 2. Okay. That's better. I still can't say I'm a huge fan of how it looks, because it's definitely over cluttered, but I mean, it's just marbles. I should also text, common text, do this. We'll do this. And we'll set to the marble number. That's totally unnecessary. Okay. And then from here, we'll set custom set marble number. We'll grab the marble number, set text, plug that in here. String. And then this is also going to come from float. Or actually, is it set by index? It's set by, okay. So actually we're going to do to integer. And then we'll also do a add 1. Because indexes start from 0, so we want to be able to add 1. We'll go here. And then we'll just do marble number. And we'll do this. Promote. Marble number, I guess. And then we'll also do Expose, and then there we go, bam. Okay, so that will call this, it'll put that through, and then all we have to do, fresh, plug that in. There we go. Okay, so now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 marbles. Let's add a bit more padding to the name. Do I need to have the text that says name, though? Because I do have the thing that says enter name here. I could probably just make it a little bit more visible so that somebody can type it. Or maybe I could put it on top of the field that says enter name here and just shrink it. So I could do... Let's go here. So instead of a vertical box, let's do a replace with... Or instead of horizontal, let's do vertical. And then let's set this to fill. For this, let's go in the center. Wait, let's do this. Do very small. And actually, let's have it auto. And then let's have this in the center. So how does that come out? Like this. What if instead of center, top aligned? Hey man, I'm currently developing game framework marketplace assets. Wondering what your thoughts on UMG versus and what would bring the most sales. I really love Common UI, and I think it has a lot of potential. But as far as the marketplace goes, probably UMG, just because I don't think Common UI is as popular yet, which it is growing in popularity. But it's hard for me to say how much other developers actually utilize it. I know Epic themselves utilize it because it's their own product, but as far as like other people go, a lot of products aren't using Common UI. But as somebody that doesn't work directly for a studio, it's hard for me to gauge exactly what the marketplace would be best. But I would probably go with UMG, in my personal opinion. Sorry for typos on phone. No, you're good. I understood what you meant. I absolutely love Common UI. I would love to see more stuff out there. But if target focus is sales, you're going to want to go for what it is most used, or at least what's the best place to market yourself to. Oh. I guess this looks a bit better. I can't say I'm too happy for it. I wonder if this should just have like an overall overlay. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to do that. I meant wrap. With, or not overlay, border. Draw as border. It's hard for me to want to compete with pro main menus. That is the masterclass in Common UI if you ever looked at it before. I have not looked at it before, but the marketplace is, in general, hard to compete for unless it is top quality because there's like large teams working towards creating amazing plugins. So for single individuals aiming for really good quality stuff on the marketplace, you got to really know what you're doing. I don't even know what I'm trying to just test things out here for this. Let's see. Hello, greetings from Slovakia. Nice. Welcome. Thanks for joining. I'm just messing with nothing right now, actually. Maybe instead of maybe I could do an image, just fade it. I didn't really do much. Let's try to I guess that could be all right for now. Oh, this needs to get aligned. I forgot about that. Okay. Ooh. Okay, gotta move the buttons down because they're enlarging. There's not enough space here. I think it's because when I shrink it. Yeah. Okay. Gotta work on scaling. Let's close out those. And that's because this is on the other side. So we'll do this. Buttons. Let's move down. Debating where I want to place the buttons. Also, there's too much space in between for this button. Because I guess I could have this like right here instead of like off in the corner for no reason. Let's I think that should be all right. My wife needed me. Did you respond to my last comment? My apologies. I did. Shoot, what did I say? It's just hard to compete with It's a common UI if you ever looked at it before. Oh, I think it was just like a pretty short answer of like I haven't taken a look, but it was just also just saying that the marketplace is quite difficult for single developers working against all of the studios and giant teams creating plugins and stuff. The Epic marketplace is. Excuse me. I'm trying to look at this. All right. Be rude then. It's fine. Let's take a look at that. That's aligned, and then this is also aligned. We go into here. I should change the text for these because you can't tell the difference between what's a button and what's text. Also, the enter name here you can't really see, so I need to make that a bit more visible. Yeah, for sure. I've got like 5 assets so far, and it's become a good source of income for me. No, that's amazing, man. If you got stuff out on the marketplace that's actually doing well for you. What's something you've created? And I'm mainly asking so that I could just take a look. Okay, so I need to add a space here. So let's go into custom pop-ups. There are spacers. But maybe not enough space. Three. Dang. Okay. Do I need a spacer out there? No. Okay, so padding of 10. So let's actually reduce that because maybe I don't need intense padding. Okay, there we go. That looks a bit better. My main thing with the marketplace is I honestly don't know what I'd want to create as like an asset that's usable for everybody. Because I'm not exactly an artist, and yeah. Of course, that's not the only thing out there, but that's me. Yeah, but the difference between you and me is you've actually put stuff on the marketplace. For me, I just kind of sit there and I'm like, I honestly don't know what I want to do. Plus, a lot of this stuff is stuff that I create just because I enjoy it. Mostly GUI packs. What's your Epic name? So I can take a look at the products. Okay, so I got this being created. I need to now fix the enter name here so that it's more visible, which is now in this widget. And you have to go into that widget. We go in here. That's a depressing song. I don't know what that is. The main issue I have with music and streaming is that I have to make sure it's like either not gonna have copyright issues or like 0 lyrics being played. And that limits the choices heavily. Okay, I forgot. Where's the field for this? Let's have justification centered. I need to go into... It's not font, it's not background. Hint text. Well, sir, where's the font for the hint? Am I being set that anywhere? No. Me neither. I used AI to try to fund my game. Hey, nowadays, you just gotta say you have AI in whatever you do. And then you also use the AI to create everything, because then it looks like you're making stuff with the UI. Of course, that's also a scam. So, like, I'm not giving business advice. Don't listen to me. Just everything I see everywhere is like, we have AI this, AI that. And it's really just like, hey, I have a computer that does something. USP 45 master. Epic Marketplace.
Reverend Jack laying half naked underground, bitten by a rattlesnake he bought from a traveling circus before it went.
I sent the link, but it might be getting blocked. Oh, it may. I actually didn't even see a link being posted. I don't know how YouTube actually handles links. Moderate activity. No, I have it actually. I tried searching for it. Gotta love YouTube for that. Maybe if I go on YouTube directly. Go into here. And then what if I go into manage stream? That is not what I wanted to do. Man, these songs are hurting.
Something telling me a story.
Gotta love when people just comment with a heart. That's the first. Thanks, man. Yeah, I don't even see YouTube saying that it removed your comment. Moderate activity. Anyways, getting sidetracked. What was I doing over here? Oh, I was trying to edit this text. I sent it on Discord. Oh. Oh. Is it cap sensitive? I swear. Hold on. Oop. No. Huh. Why are you not searchable? Okay, so here's the marketplace. Here's your name. I copy it. I paste it and hit enter. Nothing. I'm just saying, that's a little sketch. What if I search it here? Nope. Anyways, thanks for the link. Let's take a look. I find that pretty suspicious, but that's just my own, let's see, grudge. Oh, that's nice. Are people searchable? Yeah, you can search anything. Like, here's another random one. TLL. They got some other stuff. I think I removed myself. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Oh shoot! Wait, I didn't mean to lose you. Where to go? Anyways, message box is avatar. Oh, I like that. I'm not really huge into horror games, so I'm not a huge fan of the text, but I could definitely see why horror games would like them. I love the icons though. Even if it's not like horror, I feel like somebody could take this and like maybe change the color to something and still find it pretty usable. Oh, is that everything for that one? No, that's pretty nice. Ancient game maps. Oh, this seems like a very specific related thing. Designed to elevate your game development project. Yeah, no, he has some good... I don't actually know what the purpose of this one is. I'm assuming it's just for like loading screens or something. What's your description actually say for it? Maybe before like saying I don't know what it is, I should actually read what it is. Multiple styles including castle fantasy, medieval, and Asian themes. I would just say maybe specify what type of Asian themes you're referring to. Like, are we thinking like ancient Chinese, or maybe like feudal Japan? But that's just me. All textures, seamless integration, blah, blah, blah. Just loading screens? Yeah. They look nice. Oh, is this more grudge style? Yeah, I love the images. These are really Really nice. Like I like these ones. I like this. I like the scratch off because it kind of gives me like a more of like if somebody went like to like a hack and slash game as well, they could utilize those. Of course, I know these are like for the purpose of um, grudge or that kind of stuff. I like that. I don't know why I'm suddenly reviewing it. I'm probably just procrastinating the fact that I have like a bunch of work to do over here. So in the meantime, we're gonna look at these. Ooh. That's a bit hard to read for me. You got like a nice little dragon over there. Oh, I like that. That's nice. And this. I love how I just say like this and I'm not really like specifying which ones. Just hope that you're looking at my mouse. Okay, I love this. And the scroll. This would be like an amazing quest like pop-up. Like if like you had a scroll that kind of like opened up and like it rolled into these, just maybe without the black thing there. That would be a pretty cool game quest thing. That looks very detailed. That's very nice. Was that like 4 of them? No, you got some really good stuff on here, man. Like, I think these are pretty nice for people that suck at art, like me. Unfortunately, these are like not related to any type of the things that I touch, but these are still really nice. Yo, why does that look so clear? Textures ready for use also include several sheath variations. Those look so clean. No, you got some pretty good stuff there, man. That was cool. Thanks for letting me procrastinate my work. I appreciate it. They look really good. I liked some of the icons for those grudges. But I don't play horror games, but like if I could like nitpick some of the stuff, I definitely would. Uh what was I procrastinating again? Right, the text. This text. Which this one. Okay. I need to change the hint text. Is it there must be a way. Hint? Do I have to like manually set it? No, that'd be weird. I have font here. Font color. Oh shit. I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Sorry. Actually, before I do that, I just realized the music just suddenly stopped. So what's some other random music this thing picks? Yeah, let's just do that. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Ugh. Okay. There must be a way to change the hint color. I refuse to believe that there is nothing. So the hint color is probably the font. But kind of faded out. Huh. Or not faded out, the alpha. You can change font material. Oh. Obviously don't do that. Okay. I am procrastinating heavily, and I can feel it in my brain. Anybody got any questions? Sitting here talking to myself for like 2 to 3 hours. It's not the funnest time. Text color, font text color. Can I do text? Color opacity. Sir, why are you not... What? Excuse me? Hold on. So it was already set, but I just had to click on it? So mad. Alright. Okay, there we go. That's obviously not gonna have that text, but now I'm just annoyed because I couldn't understand why it wasn't set, and all I had to do was click it. Is it because I hit inherit? Yeah, it's because I hit inherit. Alright. So let's change this to a more readable color. It's kind of like a purple and pink theme. So what? See, the problem is once that is behind there, maybe I should just make the background for the border a little more. Oh wow, that's like not readable in the slightest.
Thinking about if this is worth all the risk, is this as far as we get? Hey, I hope it isn't, cause you know I'm trying to get it. Been disguising every limit, baby. Hey, I wasn't fine, but I'm always showing up on time. Put that on mine. Hey, been through the grind since my hands was to the sky. I'll be damned if I don't fly.
Yeah, it's a bit more readable, but
I'll be damned if I don't fly. Hey, I made a living off of slinging these words, so there's no limits onto what I deserve. If you play me, then it's not my concern. Larry David, you get kicked to the curb. Need me a ring, even if I have to travel to the middle.
should I do a pink or maybe a purple?
You don't even keep your word to your mans. Probably tweaking off the perks and the Zans. All that flaky shit I don't understand. I built a world with
I don't feel like it's bright enough.
1 band, 10 bands, 50 bands. Always been 100 since before I touched 100 grand. We ain't crabs in a bucket. We
Because the alpha actually goes down, which then... No, I don't think I like that mixture. No.
I wasn't fine, but I'm always showing up on time. Put that on mine. Hey, been through the grind since my hands was to the sky. I'll be damned if I don't fly. Hey, I wasn't fine,
Okay.
but I'm always showing up on time. Put that on mine. Hey, I'll be damned if I don't fly.
Maybe. Okay, so it went from being too readable to not readable in the slightest. So let's do... Also, these numbers aren't centered. I don't think purple is the way to go. No, that is not it. Okay. I feel like that would be hard for some people to read. Nope, that ain't it. I feel like this game would be a colorblind person's worst nightmare, and that's what this is telling me, with all of the pink that's being used. That's the problem is the background for these two, 7 and 8, because there is that red color. Maybe not pink. No, that's even less readable. Probably has to be something along the lines of. And this could be. That looks too ugly. Absolutely disgusting. Yeah, I'm just messing with the wrong stuff, it seems. Yo, that is so neon. Now it's not even readable. Okay. Oh man, this font is bugging me because I can't find a mixture that I like. Oh. This is the color that I'm using for all of them. Which is this pink color. So maybe if I intensify it a little. Now. So it's readable there, it's just not readable for enter name here. You know what? It's fine. I'll leave it for there right now. Huh. Okay, so the main thing is the color and the overlays are not being saved. So I would need to set that, and then based upon what was I doing with this? Get color information. Oh, that's how you don't spell correctly. Okay, we'll go marble. Get marble information. Probably needs to do a function, actually. Get marble information. Marble information. Return. Get the marble settings. We'll plug it in there. Okay. So whenever the name, overlay, and color change, it will set it to the new value. I have player changes, so grab the information and then it saves it. Blah, blah, blah. I do the same thing for here. Get data row names. What am I doing here? Getting all of the data row names, and then I overlay. Okay. And then I look for all of those, and I get the value. Select item equals true. Select all. Oh. I don't need that because I'm not doing that anymore. Okay, so that's overlay, and then now for color change, and then I don't need to do any of this. God, what is this music? We're gonna not do that. Okay. So that, I don't know what that's doing. This game menu is what I want to look at. So what I was doing before is that whenever a button was clicked, we're setting this to the game instance. However, I'm actually going to be changing all of this. Instead, oh, I'm gonna have to rework a lot of functions actually, because I'm gonna need a list of the marbles. So we're marble list. This will be an array, and this should actually have 7 indexes. Or 8 actually. 8 indexes. Okay. Because instead what I would do is I would get this and I would pass along this list, and then I would use this list to generate all the marbles. Let's close that out. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here as a reminder for myself. That's fine, but I need to go into, let's see, on pre-construct, I'm setting this, set map name, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so this is everything here for the settings. Event construct set marble settings. Okay, this is what I'm doing. I need to now set this within here. Let's do this. Oh, I didn't rename them. Crap. Okay, so hold on. We got color list. Then we have overlay list. Okay. And then we plug that into here. Okay. So let's go into color. So I would need to now recreate all of this. I don't actually think it'll let me. So let's actually, I'll try. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to remake some of this. Yep, that's what I thought. Okay. We got refresh options, so we got color and overlay. So we got color, overlay. Oh man, I got too much stuff open. Okay, overlay right here. Color. Ah, okay. Overlay and color. Okay. I think that did it, and then I should do on construct Okay, so okay, I got the drop downs now. Now I have to fix the drop downs look of it all, but it's working. So sweet. Man, I'm out of water. My AC started making weird noises like 2 days ago, so now I like worry about using it until I get maintenance to look at it. So now I'm not using AC and have a giant water jug. It's a good time to be alive. Let's okay. So I have all the pop-ups. Now I need to make the drop downs not look like that. What is that? What is that? Why is there a gap? Excuse me. Oh man, that's gonna bug me now. God damn it. Okay. Why are you like that? I didn't give you permission to have some weirdness in the center. To figure that out later. First, let's make this not look hideous. I don't have an image for the drop down, so that is gonna be impactful. I never thought I would like making the UI so much, but it's actually one of my favorite parts of game dev so far, and I hate animations. I love making the UI. I hate doing any of the art, like having to draw stuff. If somebody gave me the pieces, I would be happy, because I'm not an artist. I'm terrible when it comes to art, but I like building UIs. Like, let me build the functionalities, let me put it all together. I'm like, I need these images, the artist gives me the images, and then I go through there. That's a good time. That's what I did with I did like a health bar. I'm losing my train of thought. Let me see. Let me mute this. But that's what I did this. Hold on. This, when I was working on tooltips as well. Basically had an image of what I was looking through, and I ended up recreating all of this, taking all the pieces, modifying all of it. That was fun. I enjoy doing that. And I just realized I closed out the chat. I had to reopen that. That's why I made those packs. Honestly, I'll give you any you liked for free as gratitude for what you taught. Oh man, that's pretty nice. I wouldn't take it for granted. I mean, I think there was, which one? There was one that had like a couple of, this one. Like, I would enjoy some of these images so that I could utilize them. Like these, because I think you do a lot of good like textures. Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Yeah, textures. That was really good, but definitely don't need a lot. Plus any type of images that I could use for free that are not AI generated is greatly appreciated, because man, have you seen the images that I created myself? It's amazing. And by that I mean it's horrifying. I don't even like my YouTube thumbnails, which were created by me, and they're disgusting. Like this is my thumbnail. Very basic. Disgusting. Let's see. And then these are buttons I created by myself. I am not an artist, and this is why I go to other people. Shut up, Figma. Don't tell me to do stuff. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I know. I'm amazing. Yeah. DMU the Google Drive thing. Yeah, no, I appreciate it, man. And let me know if you end up doing any more assets later on. I'd love to take a look. Specifically if you do like anything with oh man, my brain is just cutting off mid-talk. It's great. If you just do like other UI elements. I forget what my train of thought was, but yeah, nonetheless. All the image borders and icons, all that type of stuff. Love it. Anything that prevent me from creating my own makes me happy. Okay, so I need to do some type of drop down. Menu brush. Okay, so that's what the images is. Huh. Man, there's so many fields here. Combo button. Tint. If I just make it go away, does that work? I mean, it does. The text is way too large, but I think I like that a little better. I need to shrink the text and the font. So font needs to be changed to the same thing of whatever this is, which is something I can't pronounce. So I'll just look for the one that I can't pronounce. Font. There we go. And then let's shrink that to 18, maybe? Okay. That's looking better. Maybe I should change the color of it, though. Because I don't mind that as much. Okay, I gotta get rid of that image. Let's go... I'm working on a system I'm calling Core Game Framework right now that uses my packs for the menus. It's a full menu system, save system with infinite slots and thumbnails. Core Game Framework. It's a full menu system, save system. Yo, that would actually be really good if you finalized that and got that out. Like, I would love to take a look at that as well. Core Game Framework. Is it just going to be like a asset that you import into the game? Or are you trying to think of like a plugin? I don't know how to make plugins though, so. Though that's actually one of the things that I'm researching into because I want to turn my stat system into a plugin eventually and find the best way to utilize it. So, man, where did I put the music? Yeah, full starter template. No, that would be pretty nice for a lot of people. And a lot of people would just love it just for the fact that you have all of the assets. I mean, the biggest thing people have, especially for new indie developers, is if they're not an artist, it's such a hard time to get assets because you can only snag like all of the free stuff. Or you have to know someone, which is also hard because in this day and age, people don't got money. And then they also resort to AI generated stuff, which I have done a few times as well, and it's not as pretty. Or you can just drop like $200 on an asset pack and then end up getting all of this stuff. And all of these materials. And by $200, I mean I paid $20 for a $200 asset pack, so because it was on sale. Okay. I was doing something again. Style. I wanted to get rid of this focus bar. So you can not exist. Thanks. All right, let's see if that works. Okay, cool. Yep, similar systems are all like $100 plus. So I'm gonna mark mine at like $30 and hope it flies. Yeah, I think what you could do is you could probably scale it down to something like that, but then try to have like some additional like add-ons or something. Because don't get me wrong, like $30 is nice, but if you put everything into your $30 one, you're kind of putting like all your eggs in a single basket. Unless your goal is to literally do that and just try to drag in as many people as possible with that. Which is why the marketplace is so rough, is because people can afford to make things cheap. And by afford, I mean you just competitiveness. I don't know. I'm not an artist. I don't know the market as well. What was I doing? I feel like my catchphrase is just gonna be what am I doing? Okay, so what does pink look like? Oh, that's hovered. Active brush. Why does there have to be a different? Okay, now I need to fix the font color. Oh no, that would be impossible to read. Okay. Hold on, let's just put white at the moment. Let me make sure I know what that field is. Okay, so that is text color. But I kind of liked it better when it was black. But it can't. Oh, that's like impossible to read now. Okay, so pink is not it. So let's go back to... I'll up the price to like 50 or something. Yeah, all I was trying to say is like have some self-value, get your money's worth. Especially if you're like putting everything together. And you built like the entire system. It has features like a sound system. If you do a sound system, you absolutely should price that higher. That is like a fully functional sound system within a game is super annoying to do. For people that don't know and understand sound, like it would make a lot more sense to be like 50 or something, and not like $30. Because speaking of which, I actually had a comment recently where it was somebody, I forget where it was. Somebody said something about sound systems. Comments I haven't responded to. Yeah, thanks for the heart. Hey, somebody actually answered one for me. That's nice. I think they deleted their comment, actually. I don't see it anymore. I'm doing it for myself. Also, it's all profit in my mind. No, 100%, man. Make your money. If you can make money off the marketplace, like, go for it. I'm just spouting nonsense because it's what I do. I think somebody deleted their sound system comment. What was I doing? Okay, so the pink background was a bad idea. It'd be better. Probably for the text to be that way. And this. I should have it look exactly the same as this. So name here, color opacity. It's basically the same color. Outline settings. 1. It's basically just black. Okay. And I think font. Wait. There we go. Trying to think. Okay, so that's all right. I need to change these now. I don't think I can use a gray background. Let's go back over here. Just need to see if this is the field I'm looking for. It's not. Okay. It's just the framework. It's not like a full system, just basic setups of menu savings and loadings and examples of playing SFX music with attenuation. Yeah, no, the idea sounds pretty nice. Like that, I see that doing pretty well, as long as you make it known. I think like the biggest problem with adding things on the marketplace is, well, marketing it for yourself instead of just adding it. Oh, I changed the little color of the drop down. I didn't even realize I did that. You can't see it, but what I need to change is the focused or select, and then on hovered. It's not that as bad. Yeah, YouTube helps. On my main channel, I have 5K subs, so it's a nice boost. Oh, 100%. If you have that many people. I'm like, geez, even with like 5,000 people, if you at least got 50 people just to purchase it, still ends up doing really well. Obviously, you're probably aiming for much more than that, but still, money's money. Okay. Change the text, but the text of the one that's focused turns gray. And I just want the background to turn gray, not the actual thing. So let's do that. I think that'll do what I'm looking for. Yeah. That should be okay for now. I should change the color of this so it's not matching these buttons. Or maybe change these buttons. Let's grab this. Let's go into here. Oh, how much is going to change though if I do this though? My main channel is USP45 Master. Yeah, nice. You're like just about to hit the 5K. Gaming channel walkthrough, contests, gameplay, and reviews. Oh, it looks like you were active 13 years ago. Jesus. And then started up again about 4 months ago. Nice, man. Is that why you created a new one? Is because you wanted to make it more on game development? Or just haven't really gotten to it yet? Maybe I should change these colors instead. Okay, so let me actually write that down. I need the lighter color and the darker color. So we have... Yep, try to get hype around my upcoming game, so I came back. Oh, are you making a game? Or working on a game? Almost done making one? I don't know. Let's see, I need to get this color, so we'll go back into medium buttons in here. Okay. So we got light. And then we have dark. So I want to make these colors darker. And this is using large buttons, so we'll do this. Then we go to name. Okay. And then now we'll go back to drop downs. Oof, it got a lot brighter. Maybe oh, it's because I didn't change the drop down. I need to fix the number. Single marble text. Okay. That's a bit better. I still don't like the hover and but that's a bit better. Let's what is this? What did I do that it caused it to increase in size? Is it something I did here, maybe? I mean, I guess it's fine. It's not bothering me, but... I just don't remember it increasing in size. Which means it's probably been a bit. Okay. I think that's more or less still better than what I had previously. This does require people to manually enter names, but I could just set it so that if there is nothing, then we'll just create our own. Okay, so, but let me fix this. Shrink it if I want to. Let's do this one. Okay. It stretches out the map, though. I don't know how I feel about that. How does that look, though? Maybe... wrap with border. Do... oh, wait, 0. And this should do 5. And then let's do... not tint, but like brush. Let's do that again, but go here, wrap with wrap with common border. That's not what I meant. We wanted here, brush color. Color content. Try this again. Wrap with border. Brush color, black. Okay. And then from here, 5. Okay, I think that looks a bit better. I made the packs to help me fund the game development. I have about 1K worth of assets for it already, so I'm just about the starting point. That's why I'm building the framework for myself. And I've been learning UE5 for 10 months now to make a Tenchu-like remake with modern Hitman influence. Oh, it's great, man. If you're able to get any amount of funding before even releasing a game, it's still really nice. Gonna make a real solid minute demo solo and try to kickstart it. I'm assuming that's the continuation of your response. That's why you're building the framework and gonna make a real solid minute demo solo and try to kickstart it. Yep. Yeah, any amount of funding you can get to help you support it is amazing. I've been doing it since about, I think, near the end of 2022, learning Unreal Engine and working on it. And I haven't gotten a single cent off of anything. But then again, I don't actually try to market any of my stuff like that. Even with my YouTube stuff, I just help. Oh, 15-minute solo and try to kickstart it. If you could actually get an actual demo out and have some decent video editing skills as well as like showcasing everything, you can definitely get some money off of Kickstart. Of course, that also requires you to be committed and provide people updates, but usually if money's flowing in, people are a lot more motivated. The hard part is getting the money to flow in. Especially when you're working solo, which people have a lot harder time for providing money if somebody is developing by themselves, unless it looks absolutely fantastic. Like if you're working with a team, people tend to be a lot more supportive. So there's always faking it till you make it. Okay, I think this will look a lot better than what it did when I first started. So I'm actually gonna submit my changes to revision control. All right. Well, I really appreciate you stopping for the stream, man. Having company makes the stream go by a lot faster. And You helped prevent me talking to myself. So appreciate it. I'm actually going to be ending the stream here. I'm going to actually head out, get some food because I am starving. And being in a room full of no AC is not a great time. So thanks for stopping by, man. I know you joined the Discord already, but if you ever want to chat or share your work, like feel free to do that. I have a specific channel that's meant to show off your stuff. So if you end up wanting to show off your UI stuff, you're more than happy to do so. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Happy to hear any invites.